Sometimes you want to capture something that doesn't really meet your eye as you're taking the picture. And that's why one of my favorite tools in my camera bag is this PMI SmokeGENIE. It's a handheld and battery-powered smoke machine, so I can take it out into the forest and create magical effects. It stays on for as long as you keep the button pressed. You can adjust the look of the smoke to create cool effects, make sunlight rays visible, and create fog where there isn't any. You can control it manually by hand, but you can also control it with a remote control, which is super helpful if you're shooting alone with a model and don't want to run back and forth. It works just as well for film as for still photography, and it doesn't create any waste. Here are a few examples.